how to make a very weird noise with your only your hand. First, what you want to do, get your hand like this. You want to put your it's going to be two things today, and you want to get your pinky and you want to put it to your mouth. But all you want to say is girl, 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 girl. Make it easy. You can say girl, girl. Try and girl. I'll try and girl. Doy, 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 doy. And I'm going to say girl, girl, girl. Right, you ready? Doy, 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 doy. So that's easy. Right, next step is try use it with your like this part of your thing. So like you I forgot what they're called. So try not to say it. Try and like get it with your throat. There's another word for that. So you're just gonna go something like that. And next thing is how to make a simple noise with this finger or this finger or your pinky if you want to make it harder. So this finger, when I simply go to put it back and go, put it back, and so go. I'm not really good with that finger, but this finger, I'm not really good with that finger. Now this finger, yeah. Can't do it. There we go. There we go. So that is all from me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.